James Chu, tatalon against Monge. Good. Ivan, nagdala ng bola sa Sagasa. Ivan. Good. Good. Oh, may kasama pa. Oh, sorry, struggling. Bola. Good, Gladiators ball. Kobe to Calostro.
Are you cheering?
Siya, nagdadala ng bola. Naghanap ng pasahan. Will, to Sean again. Sean. Alright, good. Ivan, binababa ang bola. Double team. Good. Nakuha ni Hurtado. Versus to James Chu. Oh, not counted. 3 seconds. Kobe, binababa ang bola. Kobe, tumira ng 3. Nice rebound by Chabrizi. Chabrizi to John Monge. Ipinasa. Nakuha ni Kobe to Will ng Colchester. Bang! Chabrizi, pinasa kay Monge. Babangga. Shoot! Kaple, naghanap ng pasahan. Kaple.
Blue ang
Pinasa kay Ivan. Lugatiman. Sasagasa ulit. Sumasagasa. Good. Counted.
Blue una, di ba?
Kobe, let's go. May kasamang foul. Free throws for Kobe.
Foul para si Ivan. Foul? Ivan.
Sa lima niya?
Alright. Stop. Yeah, running. Huwag mo pinto. Yeah, stop. Ready throw time out.
Di ako bias.
Narinig ko kuya.
Pumasok. Hurtado. Nagdadala ng bola. Hurtado, nagdi-dribble. Binabantayan ni Sean. Ipinasa ni Kaple. Kaple, didiretso. Ivan, sumagasa. Bangka. Nice shot. Ang ganda ng opensa. Sean. Sean to Kobe. Ang ganda ng chemistry. Pero natapo na sa bound. Hurtado, naghahanap ng pasahan. Ang ganda ng play. Sa tapo na sa bound.
Loko-loko yan kuya.
Kobe to Chabrizi. Open ups. Nakuha ni Orlando. Orlando to Hurtado. 1 versus 3. Pero kaya ba? Nag-dribble. Kable. Ups. Hindi nakita sa ilalim. May babandaan sa ilalim. Orlando. Traveling. Okay lang yan. Balik lang. Balik. Kobe, pinaspring kay Monge. Pinalik kay Will. Will ng Colchester. Wala. Kable. Nagmamanali. Hindi nagana yung bola. Sean. Lumulusot. Ipinasa to Will. Will. Wala again. Kable. Puro defensive rebound. 3 versus 3. Ivan. Tuwo sa Sagasa. 1-2. Let's go. Not counted. Hurtado. Pumula. Favorite shot.
Sino kasawa yun?
Sean, tumitingin sa kampe. Sean, pumukol ng 3. Nice shot, pero na-rebound ni Chabrizi. Nakuha ng blue team. Kaple. Kaple to Hurtado. Natapo ng sabaw. Masyadong mataas. Kobe. Nag-iisip. Ang ganda ng opensa. Hurtado. Gumagawa. Ang ganda na play. Kaso nakuha. Kobe. Favorite shot by Kobe Benafe. Kaple, nag-dribble. Turnover. Gladiators ball. Good job. Pass break kayo. Chabrizi. Open. Let's go. Time out. Blue team. Blue team.
Sleepy ka na, boy.
Kaple. To Ivan. Natapo ng sabaw. Wait lang, nagtatagal pa ng appliances sa tenga.
Sanda sa atin na yan.
Kobe to John, bumangga, pinipilit, pero may pasa. Will, nakuha niya ang tayo. 1v1, veteran move. Naghanap na pasahan. Kaple. To Ivan. Bumangga, 1, 2, walang, merong foul.
Who's foul?
Bigla naman ng mag-jump.
They also make that sound.
The jumps, man.
Jump 7.
Chabrizi. Substitution. Jay Akam for Chabrizi.
First foul, first team foul.
First burrito. Good for Gatiman.
Seven.
The rebound ni Will. Will, Roshan. Nakuha ni Rosado. Veteran move. No good. Jump on.
Yellow, yellow.
Yellow smoke. Gladiator.
Yellow. Ano ka na, ha? Baliktad na, pre. 5 lang pinig ko. Wala po.
Kalastro to Cody.
Kapon, bumalik ka. Malaki naman sir.
Okay lang po. To Romel tumira. Nakuha ni Ivan. Nagdi-dribble. Naghahanap ng pasahan. Nakuha ni Kobe. Nice play. Kalastro shot. Bam! Nice hustle by Kobe.
10-7.
James Chu, nag-receive ng bola. Tinapek, may foul. Siya, number 0.
Malaki naman sir. Second team foul.
Okay lang po. Busog ako sa bahay. Busog ko po sa bahay.
Basket,
Bumili ako ano, pata kahapon.
Ay, ba't talingan mo nanonood yung asawa mo?
Ito, binili sa bahay.
Gulo.
Tuwang-tuwa eh. Kilala eh, na 25 lang yung pata.
Kubari,
Nice shot by Kobe. Kaple. Kaple to Ivan. Ivan, babangga. 1-2. Favorite shot. Ginawang DJ bang? 5.
Apat yun eh.
Parang sitwasyon nung kalaban.
Kobe. Gumagawa ng play. Pinasa kay Will. Nag-attempt pero pinasa balik kay Kobe. Kobe. Favorite shot ulit. Mamba. Mentality.
Aga-aga pa.
Hurtado.
Malaki pa sa kanya eh.
Hurtado. Naghahanap ng pasahan. Dribble pa rin. To Kaple. Kaple to
First foul, third team foul.
First personal foul, third team fouls.
Foul ba?
Nakakata na sigaw. Wala kailang boses ko.
Hindi na kailangan mag-match. Hindi na kailangan mag-match.
Ito, okay, magdagulang.
Basketball.
Basket by Ivan Lugatiman. Shot. Dala ng bola. Shot to Kobe. Kobe again for three. No good. Nakuha ni James Chu. Bumababa ng bola. Sasagasa. Natapon ng sabaw.
1 minute remaining.
1 minute remaining for our first quarter. Shot. Ang ganda. Sumabay pa yung dalawa.
17.
Kable, nagdidribble, Kyrie Irving, ipinasa, tapo ng sabaw.
50 seconds. 48 seconds.
48 seconds left. Shot, didiretso, kayang-kaya, magsabay-sabay ba, ipinasa kay Kobe. Kobe for 3, Mamba mentality. Let's go. Nagiging ang gladiator mga friend.
Alam mo na ba?
Kable,
Bakit? Ilan ba dapat?
to Forzano.
Hindi naman gusto.
Nagdidribble, ang ganda ng depensa ni Kobe. Ipinasa kay Kable. Kable to
Shot clock.
Ivan. Shot clock. 6, 5. Good.
Kabila ka, Sean! Kabila!
Kobe mentality again. Back-to-back shot from Kobe.
8 seconds.
Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Second quarter of the game. Kaminga to Lugatiman. Sasagasa. Passing battery to Kable. Nice shot. Lugatiman. Lugatiman ulit. Nag-jig si Saka. Nice defense by Jay. Shot. Pinasa kay Sean. Sean, nag-dribble. Tatik. Foul by Kable. Number 20.
Lagyan mo screen.
Oh, Kable.
Go, go, go! 9 seconds!
Number 20.
9
One.
to shoot! 14. First team foul. 1.
First team foul. First personal foul by Kable. Kobe. Nakuha ni Ivan. Ivan coast to coast. Center na. Point guard pa. Foul by Will.
Win. 2 fouls.
2 personal fouls by Will of Colchester. Will.
17?
Ah, look at her.
No, I know. I see.
Yeah, no, but I'll look at the rest.
Oh, we will next time.
Because it's been wrong.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Alright. Tumingin ka muna kasi kikindatan ka. Kikindatan ka niya. Alright, Kaminga. Tumira ng tres.
Hindi kasi talaga kailangan intensive na huwag kang mag-assume.
Ano?
Kasi tayo sa
Kobe. Tumira ng tres. Good! Nakuha ni Jay. Naisasay. Pinalik kay Sean. Tumira ng tres. Ivan ulit. Hindi na maghanap ng point guard. Diwa. Binababa ang bola. To Aaron James again. Ang ganda ng pasa. Nag-gym yung mga yellow team. Ivan ulit. Sean. Naiwan ang mga depensa. Nice pass. Not counted.
2-0. Kapit.
Foul. Kaple.
Second team foul.
Second team fouls.
Kaple, second.
Kaple, second personal foul. Kobe, tumira ng tres. Nakuha ni Will. Bumangga. Another foul for Blue Si
Iwa.
Tika muna. What number?
Oh no, shit the
40. Number 14, Orlando, foul.
Foul.
13 foul for Mandirigma. Pumasok yung unang free throw ni Will.
Okay lang.
2 free throws for Will of Gladiators. Aaron James, naghahanap ng pasahan. Pinasa ay Diwa. Diwa nagdadalang bola. To Orlando, favorite place to Capre. Natapo ng sabaw. Shan. Didiretso. Ipapasa kay Monge. Monge. Nice shot. Nice play by Gladiators. Orlando, nagdadalang bola. Babangga. Up. Stepping in the line. Natapo ng sabaw. Gladiators team. Ball. Shan, binababa ang bola, naghanap ng pasahan. Kobe, ang galing na depensa ni AJ, kaso naiwan. Kobe ulit.
9 second shot clock.
Tumira ng pull-up, nakuha. Will for 3, wala pa rin. Diwa, naghahanap ng pasahan. AJ to Diwa, kayang-kaya. Nice shot, board in the house.
26-17.
Kobe, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Sean, tumira ng 3. Nice shot by Sean. Kaplan to Orlando, natapo ng sabaw. Score check, Gladiator 29, Mandirigma 17. Kobe to pull up, Kobe. May foul.
Will, third foul.
Will, third personal foul. Dalawa na lang, may PhD ka na.
No. Time out, ha? It's not safe.
Let's go, time out.
Who are you with?
Pag na-shoot, time out.
Kobe! Ang ganda! Time out, Gladiator. Hurtado, nadadala ng bola. Ipinasa kay Aaron James. Aaron James gumagawa. To James shoot. Back to Kamingan. Mag-Mr. Lomba. Nice shot. One more. Still blue team. Hurtado gumagawa ng play. 1-2. Nice pass. Nice shot. Pero natapos na sa ball. Kobe to John. AJ to Ivan. Favorite shot. Paso. Sean to Chabrizi, binalik kay Sean, tumira ng 3, kasama 3, no good.
Oh, trouble.
Hurtado, favorite shot, no good. Kobe, naghahanap ng pasahan. Kobe again, Mamba mentality. Foul. Teka muna. Dito po. Teka muna. Number 22 of Mandirigma. First personal foul for Jonathan, number 22. Mandirigma warning for penalty. Nice shot by Sean. Ivan, nagbababa ng bola. magsulat pag hindi pa nagsasabi daw eh. Lugatiman, bumabangga, nag-gym yung buong yellow team.
Sayang yung pasa.
Number 5, Chabrizi.
No.
2 free throws for Ivan. Number 5. Chabrizi. Shot.
Second.
First. Third team foul.
Si ano pala, si Jan pala, lugar. Si Jan. 5.
Isa.
Maso.
Did he make move?
No. Traveling violation by Gladiator. That's fine, balik lang. Jonathan Hurtado to Aaron James. Ang ganda ng kumpensa ni Liam. Kobe, naghahanap ng basahan. Ang ganun, tapo ng sabaw. (34-20) in favor of Gladiators. Ivan, gumagawa. Dino-double team ng mga guards. To Hurtado. To EJ, favorite shot. Pinasa kay Tiwa. Still good. Alright.
Step low.
Gladiators ball. Sean, ibababa yung bola. Ipinasa kay Kobe. Kobe, nagpapawis sa BJ. Ivan, nakuha ang bola. So, AJ. Nice D by Gladiators. Nice D by Hurtado. Nice catch. Chabrizi, babangga. Nice shot. May kasama pa, but not counted.
Kita mo. Pag tumatsa.
Number 24, foul. Kobe.
Ay, James Chu.
James Chu.
Ito.
Next one is ano sa?
Oh, penalty na yun.
Penalty na.
Oh,
Penalty.
penalty.
Pag natapos si Kanye.
35 points for Gladiators.
Wala na si Cho.
Loko-loko.
Ano na pabilis mo na rin?
Diwa, gumagawa. To Ivan. Nakuha ang bola ni Kobe. Kobe from defense to offense. Yes, sir! What a nice move by Kobe. EJ to James Chu. Babangga. Nag-fake, tumira. Nice move by James Chu. Parehong 24. Sean. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni Ivan. Hindi na kailangan ng guard. Sentro yung bababa ng bola. To Diwa. To Ivan again. Babangga. Walang bumangga. Matrix Kobe. Kobe. Binabantayan ni EJ. EJ versus Kobe. Kobe again. No good. Nice rebound by Ivan. Nagmamadali. Babangga. Nice shot.
Dapat 28 na.
John Monge.
Dadagdagan yung score ng problema.
Paano siya mo pa?
Hindi na dadagdagan.
26. Ayan na. Updated score. 37-26 in favor of Gladiators. May timeout tayo. Alin, kinuha si siya. Sub. Good.
Last 1 minute, 15 seconds.
Last 1 minute and 15 seconds in our second quarter.
Para mapalitan na. Sabihin mo, update.
AJ.
I-update na.
Nag-baseball. Papasabay natin si Alin. Nag-spin. Hurtado, favorite shot. No good.
Akala mo, ikaw lang may...
Yes, sir!
Pwede bang maki-my day sila?
Sabi, isa lang din.
One more, one more.
My day.
Yes, sir! No good. Jabrizi, walang foul. James, nag-iisip kung kanino yung papasa. So AJ for 3, favorite shot.
My day!
Pang Friday, yan dyan ah.
AJ, smile naman dyan!
45 seconds, 45 seconds.
49 seconds left. Boss Mike, tumingin na lang. Uulit, mag-step back. Uulit, yes sir. Ang ganda. Isang rebound, ano? Atakihin sila ni Kobe. Kobe. Mamba mentality. No good.
20 seconds.
Ivan, naghahanap ng mababangga. 1, 2. Good. Good. Still good. Nice ka. Aaron James, bigay for
5.
Kobe. 3, 2, 1.
Second ko na
Back to the ball game.
Isa pa.
Start of our third quarter.
Uy, doon na kayo ah.
For Gladiators, we got Brandon, Trabrizi, Alain, Kobe, and Bosman. Gladiator, AJ Lugasiman, Kaplet, and James. Kobe, Kubira. Good shot by Kobe. Kable, binababa ang bola. Naghahanap ng pasahan. Pass to EJ. Ang ganda ng defense ni Oh!
Sino yun?
Pusa.
Ayan. Who's foul? Red? 34.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul for Ivan.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul. First team foul. Gladiators ball. Baka nag-concussion. Alain to Boss Mike. Naghahanap ng pasahan. Shabrizi. Nagdi-dribble. Crossover. Bumangga. Nice shot. Kayang-kaya pala sa ilalim. James Chu to Kaple. Kaple to Aros James. Pero kinuha ni Ivan. Magpapajip sa yellow team. No good. Ivan pa rin. Nice shot. Alain. Nagdi-dribble. To Chabrizi. Nakuha. Out of bounds. Nice try. AJ. Alain to John to right to No count? Foul number 7. Is it counted or not? Ref, is it counted? No. Act of shooting. Ref, is it counted or not? Ay, na-count na? Natawag na?
Si Champs, dalawa na.
And one by Ivan.
37. Yeah, count basket. Basket. 37. 44, yeah.
44-37 in favor of Gladiators. Rebound. No need of rebound. Nice shot by Lugasiman. John to Chabrizi. Chabrizi to John. Bomb. Then shot. Favorite move. Diwa to Kaple. Diwa. May foul.
Mas foul.
You're so dirty, Elaine. Wait. Hindi 24, hindi 6. 24. Kobe foul. James, pull up, no good. Nakuha ni Ivan. Tumira. Nice shot. No foul. Kobe to Jay. Nice play by Gladiators.
48.
James Denirenzo. Mamba mentality by James Chu.
Sino yan?
James Chu.
Alain, pull up. Favorite shot. No good. Nice try though.
Last mo na daw yan.
EJ to James. James again. To Ivan. Nag-gym na naman ang yellow team. May foul.
Sinya.
Foul. Jay Yakov. Number 2.
Shoot,
2
shoot,
free throws.
Third team foul.
shoot.
Third na?
Third team foul.
Third team foul for Gladiators. First free throw. Good for Lugasiman. 48-43. 48-44.
Apat na lang.
Kobe. Nagdi-dribble. Kobe. Pull up. Favorite shot. No good. Rebounded by John. John naghanap ng masahan. Kobe again. Kobe pull up. Nice shot. Mamba mentality.
Go, Labi, 3.
EJ nagdi-dribble. To Diwa. To EJ again. To Kaple. To EJ. Favorite move. Nice shot.
5 minutes remaining.
Shot.
Anim na lang. Apat na lang.
5 minutes remaining.
Yeah, 46.
Go, sila na. Jay, titira ng dos. Nakuha ni Ivan. Ivan Tumaple. AJ, cornering moves. No good. Nakuha ni Ivan. Wala. Save lang. Save. 2 points. 50-48 in favor of Gladiators. Nice defense by AJ.
Shot, shot, magaling.
Jay Akam to Kobe. Kobe for 3. No good. Nakuha ni James Jung. AJ coming calmo to fast break. To Kaple. Kaple. Tumira ng dos. It's 50-50. It's a tie. Shot. Nagdala ng bola. Shot to Japonge. Natapon ang sabaw. Battery pass Nice hustle, but turnover. Kable to Diwa. Diwa dumidiretso. Nice layup. No good. Kuha ni shot.
Motion!
Kobe, 1 versus 2. 3 points. Bang! Pumasok rin. Time out for Mandirigma. Reserve. Akala ko dead ball eh.
Dapat time out.
Si Orlando kasi.
Time out!
Time out, Mandirigma.
Go, go, go!
Tayong sobrang
3 minutes.
Kobe! May kasamang foul.
foul.
22. Shooting foul for number 22.
Third, ano na?
Hurtado, third personal foul.
Team pang 3.
Dyan.
Another shot. Kobe. Nice shot. Sean Breezy. Nice trick shot, but no good. Ivan, taga-ISO. Ivan to Hurtado, pumulap. Nice shot. Nakuha ni James. Orlando for 3, favorite shot. Yes, sir.
Ano yun?
It's a tie, 5-5. Both teams.
Nabayagan.
Sino nabayagan?
Ang ganun nangyayari. Wise daw.
Nabayagan daw.
Uy, lagyan nyo ng ice.
Oy, calling for medical team. They have some ice there. Sean, nagdala ng bola. Ang ganda ng umesa ni Sean, pero ipinasa. Sean Breezy. Sammy, 1-2. Nice shot. EJ, nagbababa ng bola. Naghahanap ng basahan.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Ivan, pinag-dream ang yellow team. May kasamang foul.
First foul.
Nice, Ivan!
Number 7, foul.
Tatlo na.
3 personal foul. Careful.
So, iba, tatlo na si Ivan.
Si Ivan.
Ivan?
Isa lang!
Dalawa.
Ano pala marami.
Shoot mo daw!
Yun siguro.
Lugatiman. No good.
Ako po.
Kobe, nagbababa ng bola.
1 minute, 50 seconds.
1 minute 50 seconds. Kobe again. Mamba for 2. James, nagdi-dribble. Didiretso. To Hurtado, pero nakuha. Kobe solo. Lilipad. Nice shot. James shoot to Ivan. Ivan nag-ISO 1-2. And 1. Wait lang, wait lang.
Who's foul?
Number 5, foul.
Okay.
John Moon. Who's number 5? John Moon.
Jamongi.
Si John, number 5. Penalty na ha? Hindi sa... 5. Ay, kasama yung misa.
Ivan for free throw. No good. Nakuha na naman ni James. Pupull up. Mama mentality. James again. Papasok. Nice shot. Wala pa rin James. Pinasabay. Gusto yung mahirap. Shot. Nagbababa ng bola. Dumidribble. Sean, gagawa, naghahanap ng basahan, may screen, nakalusot, nagdi-dribble, John Mogi. Oh, stepping on the line. Naghahanap ng basahan to Hurtado,
39 seconds.
to EJ, to James. Nice shot by James. 31 seconds left.
Even!
27 seconds.
Sean, naghahanap ng play, tumira ng tres. Nice shot. Proud mother here beside me. Hurtado to EJ. EJ, pinasa kay Orlando. Orlando ng trick shot. No good. Shout to Kobe. Kobe. 7, 6, 5. Back-to-back shot for Gladiators. 2, 1. No good. 67-61. Back to the ball game for our last quarter. Castro to Sean. Sean, naghahanap ng basahan. To Will. To Kobe. Kobe, kumuha ng screen. Tumira ng tres. Kobe, mentality. Ivan, nag-isip ng bola. To Kaple. Kobe. 5 points for Kobe this quarter. Kaple to EJ Kamingan. EJ to Diwa. Diwa to Ivan. Kaso nakuha. Pinapatakbo ni Murado si Kobe. 7 points for Kobe in less than a minute. Diwa, nag-receive ng bola, tumira, 2 points for Diwa. Will to Kobe. Kobe, nag-dribble. Kumuha ng screen. Step back. No good.
Dapat isang
Turnover. Gladiators ball. Nice kicking.
record lang natin
Mahirap din eh, pag madaming chinichik. Oo. Nakakinasin yun din ng professional. Oo.
iba-ibang ano, pag-bound ikaw.
Yung stop lang kasi madadama.
Good Mandarigma ball. James Chu. Naga-ISO. To Kaple. Kaple to Lagatigman. Yellow team, mag-jeep kayo. Subscription to Ivan. Shot. Ipinasa to Kobe. No good. Natapon ang sabaw.
Bounces and bounces.
Sean, nagbababa ng bola. Screen by John. Natin ni Ise. Pass break. To Kaple. Kaple. Nag-crossover. Ang ganda ng crossover. Kaso, Kalma, kalma, kalma. It's a friendly game for us.
Relax, relax, relax.
Chill, last quarter. Okay lang. Wala na. Sigurado na sinigawan niya. Ang dami ng reklamo. Siya nga, hindi siya nagreklamo na siya.
Nakakaldam na.
James Chu! Nakuha ng bola. Kobe, 2 versus 2. Pass break, Kobe to Sean. Natapon ang sabaw. Nakuha ni John. Sean again. Magre-reset.
foul.
11. EJ. First team foul. First personal foul. Malayo pa sa graduation.
Shot clock.
Shot clock.
3 seconds.
2, 1. Good. Nakuha ni Ivan. Ivan nag-aiso. Kamalma. Good. Yellow ball.
No way.
Siya, nagbababa ng bola. Ang ganda ng screen, dalawang screen. Kobe, tumira for 3. Yes, sir. How many points is this? Is it 11 points for Kobe?
Sige, palamang pa kayo.
Hurtado, tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni James, pero na-tip para kay Kobe. Kobe 1 versus 2. No good. Mandarin Mas ball. Ivan, nag-receive ng bola.
Go, AJ!
Bumabantay si Sean. Dribbling.
Go, AJ!
Hurtado to Ivan. Subscription to Jim. Nice shot by Ivan.
7. 5 minutes.
5 minutes, 35 seconds left. Sean. Brandon, tumira ng 2. Nice try. Save ball. Substitution. Chabrizi for Brandon Castro.
4 points.
Go, AJ!
77-65 in favor of Gladiators. Shot to win of Colchester, back to Sean. Shot to win of 3. Nice shot, but no good. Ivan to EJ Camigal. Nice play by Chemistry.
Mga 10
Wins Kobe. Kobe, gumagawa.
Uy!
Nice shot by Kobe.
Foul.
Foul 22 and 1.
Hurtado, fourth personal foul.
Fourth personal foul for Hurtado. Careful.
Basket? Basket?
Basket. EJ, Aaron James to Hurtado. Natapo ng sabaw. Miscommunication by the blue team.
Stop.
Substitution versus for Diwa. 4 minutes and 35 seconds left for fourth quarter. Shot, nagdadala ng bola. Naghahanap ng play maganda. Nagdi-dribble to Shabrizi. To Kobe. No good. Rebounded by James. I think 10 rebounds already for James. Lugan si Man. Wala nang bumangga.
Wala yun. Kasi siya lang yung walang
Ah. Ilan?
Dalawa.
Dami pa. 2 free throws for Ivan. First free throw. Yes, sir. Another one. Ready for rebound. Another one. Basket.
Yeah?
Will to Kobe. Kobe to Sean. Natako ng sabaw. Nice steal by Aaron James Camigal. So, pass to Ivan. Naghahanap ng pasahan. Aaiso ata.
Go, Ravi, go! Go, Ravi,
EJ.
go!
EJ to Jonathan Hurtado. Nag-iisip. Tumira ng 3. Nice shot, but no good. Sean. Nagdi-dribble. Nice screen by John.
Diwang.
Wala na,
From
basta
penalty na dito yung Mandirigma. 80-61.
3 minutes, 29 seconds.
3 minutes and 29 seconds left for this quarter. Shot, first free throw. Yes, sir. Second free throw for Sean. Again, nice shot by Sean. EJ, nagdala na ng bola. EJ to Ivan. Ivan, mag-aiso. Pinasa EJ to James Chu. Yes, sir. No good. Real to Kobe. Kobe versus EJ. Ang ganda ng speed. Orlando, favorite shot. Nakuha ni Chabrizi.
Last chance. 3 minutes.
Last 3 minutes. Shot again. Shot again. One more. Yes, sir. Ivan, nag-receive ng bola. To EJ. Tumira ng tres. Favorite shot. Back to back for his team.
72, 87.
Let's go.
Shot. Binabantayan ni EJ. Si Kobe. Kobe nag-isip. Tumira ng tres. Yes, sir. We really got the player of the game for Gladiator.
Wala na, 22 na.
Ivan, nag-ISO, gym subscription, 2 points.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Pwede na pumasok yung mga bench para ma-enjoy yung last 2 minutes. Will, tumira ng dos. Wala. Orlando, naghahanap ng basahan, pero dumiretso. Tinasa na EJ, favorite shot. Yes, sir. 2 points for Carlos James Kaminga, number 11.
1 minute, 35 seconds.
1 minute and 32 seconds left for the Kobe. To Charles Chabrizi for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Orlando. EJ again, 1 versus 3. EJ, favorite shot. No good. Sean, bumababa ng bola.
1 minute, 15 seconds. 11.
Shot clock, 15 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No good.
Lucky, man.
Ivan, solo, tataktak. No good.
44 seconds.
Last 40 seconds of the game. Kobe, nice pass to Sean. Nagpapababa na ng oras. Tumira, Chabrizi, no good. Will, nakuha ni EJ. Yes,